Section recap. I hope you're enjoying your acquaintance with Tableau. It's really a very powerful and incredibly unique tool. We are definitely benefiting from having it in data science. It has made the work of data scientists so much easier, so much more enjoyable. And today we'll have a look at what we learned in this section when you were getting to know Tableau for the first time. In this section, we learned, number one, how to connect Tableau to a CSV file. As you saw, it's a very simple, very straightforward process. You just point Tableau in the direction of your file and it connects automatically. And from there, you just take it to the visualization phase straight away. You don't have to waste your time on any data loads or anything like that. Everything's done for you. Number two, how to navigate Tableau. Very easy as well. As we saw, there's quite a few menus, but they're highly intuitive and you get to learn them along the way. And I'm sure after these couple of tutorials, you're already much more comfortable with Tableau than you were at the start. And that's the way the tool is built. It's very, very simple. And that's why we like it so much. Number three, the difference between measures and dimensions. Very important core difference. One of them basically represents variables, independent variables, and the other one represents dependent variables. And Tableau is able to pick up your measures and dimensions from your data set automatically by looking at things like, is it a numeric variable, is it a string, and so on. But you're able to also adjust that and convert measures to dimensions and vice versa by simply dragging them into the correct pane. Number four, how to create a calculated field. You'll notice that a lot of courses out there talk about this way down the track, but I brought it in the very start, in the very first section about Tableau, because I feel that this is an important topic. It's not that complicated, and as you saw, it is pretty simple to create a calculated field. You just type in a formula, give it a name, but at the same time, it greatly expands your flexibility and your control over your visualizations. So good that we covered that off early, and that is something that will definitely benefit you along the way in your future work with Tableau. Number five, at least 3 ways to add colors in Tableau. So we talked about adding colors based, in this specific example, based on the representative's name, based on the amount that was actually sold, so the sales, and also based on the region. And once again, Tableau is like art, or visualizations like art, so it's everybody's own personal preference. You might have a different style to me, so play around, find what your favorite colors are, find what your favorite style is. There is no right or wrong answer here. Everything works as long as it makes sense, as long as you can convey the message you want to convey to your audience. Number six, how to add labels and formatting to your charts. Also very important because it makes your visualizations look pretty and makes them legible. And finally, how to export your worksheet. So I showed you the correct method of exporting your worksheet through the right click and paste rather than just pressing Ctrl V. That will make sure that your visualizations are crisp and clear in your PowerPoint. So I hope you enjoyed this section, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, happy analyzing.